Hey, what's up? We about to get lit and turn up, y'all lit and turn up.
Yo, Marvin, leave me alone, bruh.
Alright, I'm gonna leave you alone. I'm gonna leave you alone.
Psych, nah, y'all, that was me. Y'all thought that was my bloody.
Let's get right into this video.
So I know y'all saw the box from YSwigs. So now let's talk about it, cause hold on, let's put a pause on this video real quick. Hold on. Alright. So I just want to put a pause on this video because did you see that box? Did you see that silk little bag that they gave me and the mesh bag? They took their time. They took their time on the packaging, you guys, and I really appreciate that because if you know me, you know that I travel and containing my wigs in a box is kind of annoying because the box breaks. So the little satin bags and the little bags that they give me are amazing, and I love how they kept that purple theme going. I literally am taking note from that for my brand, so that's amazing. I like that they gave me the wig cap as well and the elastic band, even though the wig has elastic straps that you can adjust to your liking. So just shout out to YSwigs for that. Thank you for not sending me no bullshit 1 cent lashes that don't even work for me. I appreciate that for real. All right, so the next thing that we're gonna be looking at when this clip starts right about now, cool, body wave, come through, waves, what the fuck is going on? Look at them waves, y'all. Swish, 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 swish. I wanna drown in your ocean. Okay, so the inside, lace in the front, tracks in the back. Like lace in the front, tracks in the bike. Lace in the front, track in the bike. Hey, yay. Okay, here go this wig cap. That's not my skin color. And I'm doing the cap method because I really wanted this wig to look realistico. Okay, so we're gonna be using the Pump It Up spritz and the Even New York Stronghold got to be knockoff glue, whatever, but this stuff worked good, and I'm gonna use it to lay this cap down. Now I have an in-depth tutorial on how to do this, talking and everything. So if you want to go watch that video, I will link it down below for you. Duh. So make sure you check that out. And here we are going to do the wig placement. All right, you guys, so as you can see here, my bald cap is good under there. I put my foundation on it, and I'm going to cut the excess lace, not the access lace, the excess lace. And I'm going to do that on both sides, of course, and then I'm going to lay the lace down with my Pump It Up spurts and the blow jar, and then I'm gonna cut off the excess lace. I like to cut off some lace just to get it out my way, and then I continue to lay the wig down with that extra lace there because it helps it makes it easier so that you have extra lace to pull on with your fingers, you know, because when you don't have that lace there, it's kind of harder to maneuver around it. So just watch and enjoy. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I think this part is easier to do, easier said than done, so I mean, I'm just gonna let you guys watch it and stuff like that. Okay, I'll come back if I need to say anything important. Don't miss me too much though, because you know I love y'all. You know I love y'all. Y'all bad as hell, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you know I love y'all. Bye. I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so as you guys seen in the beginning clips of this video of me laying this wig and stuff like that and showing you, here is the finished look of it, you guys. It is honestly so super duper pretty. Like, it's so pretty. Now let me tell you guys what I peeped. Okay, so I didn't have to pluck one string of hair from this lace. That's the first thing that I'm really excited about. So YSwigs, good job for that. I'm only feeling like maybe I need to wash the wig, but I'm feeling like it's a little bit thin under here. But the whole wig in general is just thin. It's not like the fact that like it's bad hair. It's just the fact that it's just a little, I feel like it could use some thickness under here, or I just need to wash it. I do like the texture of the wig. I didn't have to put a curl to it or anything, so hopefully when I wash it, it could come back to this and we'll do like a test. Another thing, I didn't have to trim any baby hair off. The baby hair was already there. I just sleeked it down. And then not only that, bro, but the hairline goes like this and then it comes out again. Like, I hate when they give me like a rainbow eye hairline and I gotta like force the baby hairs. Like, there's basically no baby hairs like on my forehead. Like, this is all from the lace just slicked back and it's just giving me a permed look. They gave me a part right here, but I like my parts to be like deeper or just like flipped over and like natural looking. So that's how I feel about that. But you guys, this wig is so bomb. Like, just look at the hair and it's so thin. Like, this is gonna be like the wig I'm gonna wear when I don't want to be hot and I want my neck to be free. Well, I guess that's good that it's not like full down here because my nape isn't gonna be tampered and messed with. And it has this thing where like the way they laid it down, the hair isn't like touching my nape. It's like out then in, so that's really good for the nape area. I really like this wig, y'all. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this wig on me. Do you like the short look on me, the short black? Is it like refreshing? Would you guys want to see me straighten it, see how it looks? Do you guys want to see me like do a couple cute short hairstyles with it to like show you guys what, you know, pretty short hairstyles you can achieve? I honestly want to cut my natural hair like this length because right now it's like down in here, but I have like split ends and stuff, so I might do that with my natural hair. This wig just made me want to do it more. But anyway, comment down below what you guys think and stuff like that. But real quick, let me give you guys the specs of this wig. So of course, as you see in the title, this is YSwigs. They were gonna send me a kinky curly wig, but you guys know how I feel about kinky curly wigs, so yeah. So I'm going to the link right now and I'll screen record so you guys could see it. Alright, so this is the wig right here, the YS Hot Selling Wavy Short Bob. Does my wig right now look like the same exact wig in the picture? Yeah, I would say so, but it looked like she like probably like combed it out more. But the picture that they have on the mannequin, it definitely looked like more of a looser wave rather than this. This is very like more so tight. Maybe when I wash it, it might loosen out like that. They have other picture reviews on there. But basically, this wig is, I would say this is honestly probably 10 inches. So let's see if we do natural color. They have the 1B2 or whatever, and then 10-inch hair density. I think this hair density is probably like 150. Gonna be spending like around $150, which isn't bad. Like I said, it's full lace. Well, it's lace in the front, tracks in the back, and I didn't have to pluck or bleach the knots. So I mean, if you guys want to know how I laid this wig, make sure you keep on watching. But yeah, that's basically it. And as far as the makeup goes, if you guys want to know how I got this makeup look, I actually made my guy YouTuber friends choose my makeup, and I did their makeup based on what they chose. So go watch that video, it'll be linked down below. But yeah, that's basically it. I love you guys and I will see you in the next one. Love you. Mwah.